Hi. Have you ever wondered why your skin looks dull, no matter how many expensive serums you buy? Or why you feel tired and anxious all day, even after 8 hours of sleep? I used to think something was seriously wrong with me, until I discovered this one free thing that completely transformed my skin, my mood, and honestly, my entire life. And no, it's not a skincare hack. It's something your grandmother probably told you, but you ignored. I know I did. So let me take you back to 6 months ago. I was struggling with constant breakouts. My skin had this grayish, lifeless tone, and I had these dark circles that no concealer could hide. I was spending so much money on vitamin C serums, niacinamide, retinol, you name it, I tried it. But here's the thing, nothing was working. And on top of that, I was always tired. Like that kind of tired where you wake up and you're already exhausted. My sleep was terrible. I'd lie in bed scrolling through my phone till 2 a.m., wake up groggy, and the cycle would just repeat. I genuinely thought maybe my skin is just like this. Maybe I'm one of those girls who'll never have that natural glow. And mentally, I was always irritable, anxious, and just off. Then one morning, I was at my lowest. I looked in the mirror and I just broke down. I was so tired of feeling ugly, tired of hiding behind makeup, tired of being tired. That's when my mom said something that changed everything. She told me, "You know what you're missing? Sunlight. When was the last time you actually stood in the morning sun?" And I laughed. I was like, "Mom, I have a whole skincare routine. How is sunlight going to help?" But she insisted. She said, "Just try it for 10 days. Wake up early, stand in the morning sun for 10 minutes. That's it." I had nothing to lose, so I agreed. And honestly, I thought it was going to be a waste of time. But here's what happened. And I'm not exaggerating. Within the first week, I noticed my sleep improving. Within 2 weeks, my skin started looking alive. Like there was a subtle glow that no highlighter ever gave me. And by the end of the month, my breakouts reduced, my dark circles faded, and I actually had energy throughout the day. I couldn't believe it. Something so simple, so free. And it worked better than half the expensive products I'd been using. So today, I'm going to tell you exactly what happens in your body when you take morning sunlight, and how you can start this habit too. Okay, so when morning sunlight touches your skin, something magical starts happening. Your body begins producing vitamin D naturally. And this isn't just any vitamin. It's literally the foundation of glowing, healthy skin. Here's what most people don't realize. When your skin is exposed to the sun's UVB rays, it produces vitamin D3, also called cholecalciferol, naturally within your skin. This strengthens your bones, your teeth, and most importantly for us, your immunity. Now here's the thing. Food alone cannot fulfill your vitamin D requirement. Studies show that over 90% of our vitamin D comes from sunlight exposure. Not food, not supplements. Sunlight. And if you're someone who's been taking vitamin D tablets, research shows that synthetic vitamin D is often poorly absorbed, especially if you have gut issues or hormonal imbalances. Only sunlight can activate your body's own mechanism to produce and use vitamin D efficiently. And when your body has enough vitamin D, it regulates inflammation. That means fewer breakouts, less redness, and faster healing of acne scar. But wait, it gets even better. Morning sunlight also sets your internal body clock, your circadian rhythm. When light reaches special cells in your eyes, it sends signals to your brain that it's daytime. And this affects your hormones in such a powerful way. First, it suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone, at the right time. So you feel energized during the day, and you sleep soundly at night. No more tossing and turning. Second, it increases serotonin, your happy hormone. This is why you feel uplifted, less anxious, and more positive when you're consistent with morning sunlight. It literally prevents depression. And third, it balances cortisol, your stress hormone. When cortisol is balanced, your skin stops breaking out from stress, your digestion improves, and you don't get that puffy, tired face anymore. Here's something else. Sunlight improves your blood circulation because it widens your blood vessels. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells. That's where the glow comes from. It's not from a highlighter. It's from actual healthy blood flow. And if you're trying to lose weight or manage your body, sunlight speeds up your metabolism. Just 10 minutes a day can shift your biological rhythm to one of balance and harmony. So you're not just getting better skin. You're getting better sleep, better mood, better focus, and better overall health. All from 10 minutes of morning sun. Okay, so here's exactly how I do it. And trust me, once you make this a habit, you won't skip it. Step 1. When you wake up, wash your face with plain water. Drink a glass of warm water. This is important because it hydrates your body and prepares it for the sunlight. Step 2. Do this before you look at your phone. Before you check Instagram, before you scroll. The first thing your eyes should see is natural light, not a screen. Step 3. The ideal time is between 6:30 to 8:30 a.m., when the sun is gentle and mild. This varies depending on where you live and the season, so adjust accordingly. Step 4. Start with just 5 minutes if you're new. Then build up to 10 minutes each morning. Make sure your face, arms, and legs are directly exposed to the sun. Don't rely on sunlight through glass windows because glass filters out the beneficial UVB rays. Step 5. You can sit quietly, do light stretching, or just face the sun with your eyes closed and breathe. I like to use this time to feel grateful, to be aware of the warmth on my skin, the new day, my breath. It's incredibly grounding. But here are some things you need to be careful about. Don't go out later in the morning when UV intensity is high, especially in summer. That can cause sunburn and damage your skin. Never stare directly at the sun. Keep your eyes gently closed or look away. If you have darker skin, you might need slightly longer exposure than 10 minutes because melanin reduces vitamin D synthesis. So maybe 15 to 20 minutes works better for you. Drink enough water before and after. And please, don't use your phone or headphones during this time. Connect with natural sounds. The birds, the breeze, the silence. That's part of the healing. I can't tell you how much this one habit has changed my life. My skin is clearer. My eyes are brighter. I wake up feeling rested. I don't get that 3 p.m. energy crash anymore. And mentally, I feel so much more stable and positive. People have started asking me what I'm doing differently. And when I tell them it's just morning sunlight, they don't believe me at first. Because we've been conditioned to think that solutions have to be expensive or complicated. But sometimes, the most powerful things are the simplest. So from tomorrow, I want you to try this. Just 10 minutes. That's all I'm asking. When you absorb sunlight, you're not just getting vitamin D. You're absorbing life. You're aligning yourself with nature's rhythm. Waking with the sun, resting with the moon. And trust me, your skin will thank you. Your mind will thank you. Your whole body will thank you. So set that alarm, step outside, and let the sun work its magic. I promise you, this is the glow up you've been searching for. And if you try this, come back and tell me how it goes. I'd love to hear your story. Until next time, take care of yourself. You deserve to feel beautiful inside and out.